Looks like it's that time again. Analyse. Giron. Tuscany. Yeah. Glug. Might as well. It's Wednesday night. Yeah, it's Wednesday night. Twice a week, that's all. Bit of polyphenols. Red wine. Red wine. Yeah, so no snow today. It rained. If it was 20 years ago, it would be a couple of degrees colder and it would have come down with snow. 1 minute they're saying, oh, there's snow coming. And then it doesn't. Even the Black Mountains in the distance, no snow. Oh, God. And then yesterday they were saying, oh, there'll be snow showers Christmas Day, Boxing Day. Today they changed their mind. Now it's going to be rain. Lovely cold rain. Red wine.